up early and we're not going away in the caravan. We're going for a day trip in our boat. It's about 6:30 and high tide's about 8, so we're going to pop her in on the Hawkesbury and head out near Barrenjoey, near Palm Beach. Fantastic, can't wait to get out there doing what we're going to do to get her ready to put in the water. It is a glorious day. So excited to be going out. Our aim today is to aim for squid. So we'll see how we go. Stevie's just parking the car and I'll go and pick him up from the wharf and head off. So with much anticipation, we got our gear set up to catch some squid. We tried so hard, but not a single living creature went for our lines. Yeah, always got to stay positive. Anyway, it was still early in the day, and what a beautiful spot. Just over there on the hill is Barrenjoey, Palm Beach. And Lion Island is straight across. And it's quite calm here. This is so cool. We've got 2 seals.
The third one around the corner.
Having a snooze.
There's one in the water down up over here.
Right, we're just below Barrenjoey. Just going to spy where it is. There he is.
One on top of the rock and one with his fin up. They do that. Regulate the temperature.
Yeah.
Release the swell.
Yeah, whoa. We're just riding the swell here. That's cool. Big swell. Having a snooze.
There's a third one around. through there.
Oh yeah. As we ride these. The set that's coming in. Oh, it's a baby. Yeah. Oh, it is a little bubba. I don't know if you can see this swell. It is huge. Whoa. Oh, wow. Wow. They look like they're going to break, but they don't, thankfully. A little bite to eat. This is Patonga. You can actually get off at the wharf there, maybe anchor your boat and go to Patonga Pub, which is awesome. Anyway, we're heading to find fish. Probably our last fishing attempt today. We've come under Brooklyn Railway Bridge on the Hawkesbury River. I think we're even desperate. We would accept a catfish.
Anything can be fine.
Yeah, just a bite of even those annoying little brims. Bite us, come on. So much for ending this episode with a delicious seafood cook-up. However, we do plan to take both the van and boat away with us soon, so make sure you subscribe to find out where we end up. Thanks for watching.
Don't you wanna have fun?